Your liver is silently drowning in toxins right now, and most people have no idea it's happening. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies face an invisible enemy. Every time you consume fried snacks, packaged meals, or simply breathe polluted air, your liver pays the price. Stress compounds the damage. When this vital organ becomes overwhelmed, it struggles to eliminate poisons and metabolize fats effectively. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful allies that can revive your liver's detox abilities. Let me walk you through 10 incredible foods that will restore your body's natural cleansing power. Number 1. Lemons and limes. These zesty gems pack massive doses of vitamin C, converting harmful substances into water-soluble compounds your kidneys can flush away. Start each day with fresh squeezed citrus juice in warm water. It's like hitting the reset button for your liver. 1 glass of lemon water can rewrite your morning. Number 2. Turmeric. This golden spice isn't just delicious, it's your liver's best friend. Sprinkle it into soups, stews, or roasted vegetables for instant detox support. Turmeric activates specific enzymes that neutralize cancer-causing compounds lurking in your diet. Number 3. Beets and carrots. Ever wonder why these root vegetables glow with such vibrant color? Carrots deliver glutathione, a master detox protein, while beets overflow with plant flavonoids and beta-carotene. Together, they supercharge every liver function and sweep away cellular debris. Number 4. Garlic. Don't fear the smell, embrace it. Garlic's sulfur content triggers enzymes that escort toxins out of your system. Plus, it's packed with allicin and selenium, 2 nutrients that turbocharge liver regeneration. What if a single clove could protect you from years of damage? Number 5. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, arugula, these greens are chlorophyll powerhouses. They capture environmental poisons, ramp up bile flow, and neutralize heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial chemicals before they can harm you. Number 6. Grapefruit. Nature's detox button fits in your hand. 1 small glass of fresh grapefruit juice floods your liver with vitamin C and antioxidants, igniting the enzymes that dismantle carcinogens and chemical residues. Number 7. Apples. Rich in pectin, apples contain unique compounds that purge toxins from your digestive tract. By cleaning your gut first, they lighten the liver's workload during any cleanse. Number 8. Olive oil. Cold-pressed virgin oils, olive, hemp seed, flaxseed, offer something remarkable when used sparingly. They create a lipid shield that attracts and binds fat-soluble toxins, pulling them away from your liver so the organ can focus on deeper healing. Number 9. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, these veggies boost glucosinolate levels, which ramp up enzyme production. Those enzymes then sweep out cancer-promoting agents and lower your long-term disease risk. Number 10. Cabbage. Just like its cruciferous cousins, cabbage flips the switch on 2 critical detox enzymes. Enjoy it raw in coleslaw, fermented as kimchi or sauerkraut, or simmered in hearty soups. Every bite activates your liver's self-cleaning mode. Before you go, be sure to watch our video on 7 homemade liver cleansing drinks right here on the channel. If this video added value to your day, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs healthier habits. Subscribe to Healthy Tips Tricks and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest natural remedies and wellness secrets. And don't forget to explore our library of health videos and delicious recipes waiting for you on our channel.